If you don't have a drill press, drilling perfectly straight holes can be a challenge. Thankfully, there's an inexpensive tool called a drilling guide that can make the process easy using a regular hand drill. This Kreg drilling guide has hardened steel sleeves in 6 common sizes to hold your bit straight while you drill. This one has alignment marks to make that easy, and a grippy surface that keeps it in place. To use a drilling guide, just align the hole size you need with your hole location. All you have to do is hold the guide and then drill. The drilling guide ensures that the bit stays perpendicular to the surface, so you know the hole will be straight. This can take the hassle out of drilling holes in surfaces for tasks like adding screws or installing knobs and pulls. If you're creating dowel joints, a good drill guide can make it easier by aligning the holes correctly and centering them on the thickness of the material. With a drilling guide, you'll have an easy, inexpensive way to drill straight holes with a regular hand drill. No drill press required.